I'm glad to be invited on this platform and meeting all the lovely kids. Yes?
All dear children, shall we welcome Madam with our special clap? Yes. Okay, you're all ready then. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Yes. Arundhati ma'am, it's your dais now. You can continue with the children.
Thank you, Yamuna ma'am, and all the kids. Yes, glad to meet you all. Pleasant evening. Hope you all are doing well at home with your online classes. Children, I have one thing for you. I want you all to count the number of squares around you. Squares. The number of squares. Square is a shape, right? Yes, it's a two-dimensional shape.
Yes.
I asked you to count. If you are not finding square, go for rectangle. I hope you all know the difference between square, rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Sai Charan, how many did you count?
Ma'am, 15 rectangles, 1 square.
Very good. Next, Manogna,
Yes, ma'am.
how many squares and rectangles around you?
There is 2 squares in my room and so
Okay.
many rectangles.
I asked exact count, my dear. Yes. Chaitanya,
2, ma'am.
2. Only 2? Okay.
Yes.
Saqib,
3 squares, ma'am.
very good. Next, Tridev,
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
nice, very nice. Adya and Nitya,
Ma'am, 8 rectangles, 3 squares.
wow. Next, Lokesh, can you on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many did you find? How many shapes did you find?
3, ma'am.
Very
3
good.
squares, ma'am.
Yes. And even I would like to listen from you, your opinion about maths. Are you scared of your teacher or the subject? Whatever it is, just I want to listen. Few seconds. In few seconds, in short, you just tell me. Let me start with Sai Charan. You can feel free to share your views regarding the subject or whatever. Come on, Sai Charan.
Ma'am, I like maths.
That's it. You just like maths. You can speak about your teacher and who else is supporting you.
Yes, ma'am, my maths sir will support me in every problems.
Very good. Next, Manogna. You can share openly your opinion also.
Yes, ma'am. Maths is a very hard subject for me and it's very confusing.
Confusing. Nice. Like this, I need opinions, like open statements. Very good. Next, Saqib, your favorite subject.
Maths, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Adya and Ritu.
I like maths. My maths teacher is support me. He can solve the doubts for me.
Very good. What about Adya?
I like English.
Not maths? You feel boring?
Maths, no, miss. That is
Very
so
good.
hard for me.
You feel hard, okay. Next, Chaitanya.
I am very scared of maths. My maths sir is very strict, but he is explaining very nicely.
Very good. What about Lokesh?
I like maths, ma'am, because of I want to get IIT rank and I want to prove it Srinivas Ramanujan problems in future.
Superb. Next, children, good to hear from you regarding your opinion regarding the subject. So there is nothing so hard. Okay. Being math teacher, you may feel that I am speaking in this way. No, actually. So coming to my childhood also, I was very scared of my math sir. Because every day in the morning he used to ask 1 or 2 formulas or something or the other. and he used to scold me. So I used to cry every day in my maths class. So, but later on, I made it as my favorite subject because always the sir used to scold me. That was the reason. Might be I chose the subject maths. Okay, I used to get good marks, and later on it became my favorite subject. So when it is your favorite subject or whatever is the thing, how many of you like chocolates? Yes, definitely all will raise the hand. Yes, sweets, chocolates, pizzas, burgers, whatever it is. So we feel it as our favorite. Definitely we are going to love it, we are going to like it. Yes, and we show more interest on that. Yes or no? Definitely, right? What we feel about the thing, that changes everything. So you all are in a phobia that math is hard or tough, master is strict or teacher is strict. So based on different ideologies or based on your thinking, you feel in a different way. Some of the kids are feeling it is very easy. Coming to few tricks. Yes, what are the new tricks you are going to learn? Might be you already saw them, but to make it more easy, children have a pen and paper in your hand.
Yeah, ma'am.
Most of you in your problem solving or wherever you find, you are going with few mistakes in addition. We have one small technique when we are adding some 3-digit numbers. Suppose there is a number 988 plus 880. Just for an example I took. So these are the 3-digit numbers. So to make our addition easy, so understand that this 988 is near to 1000. Near to 1000. And this 880 is near to 900. So how much you are adding here? 880 is near to 900. How much are you adding, kids? You are adding 20. Very good. And here 988. How much you are adding to make it 1000? It's 12. Okay, it's 12. Now you just add the bases. First we are trying to round off to nearest numbers. You already learnt the place values. This is 1s, 10s, 100s, 1s, 10s, 100s. So when you are rounding off, it is becoming nearest thousands, and this is becoming nearest 100. That is 880 is near to 100. When you add these two, you get 1900. And then you need to go for these two numbers, that is 20 and 12. Together it is 32. The 32 should be subtracted from 1900. When you subtract, you get 1868. So might be you already saw this technique of estimating. So you see around like you go around different places. If I ask you how many people are there in this crowd or in this exhibition, so you cannot say the exact count. We are trying to estimate the value, like approximately you are trying to say. In the same way, when we are simplifying additions or subtractions, you can use the technique of rounding off. First immediately round off the numbers and then go for the actual value. So it reduces the time and the calculation mistakes actually. Okay. The same way you take simple numbers to understand more. Take simple numbers. There is a number 28 and 38. 28 plus 38. In your normal addition, you try to do this as 28 plus 38 gives 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is the answer you are going to get. But when we are rounding off, you see 28 is rounded to 30 and 38 is rounded to 40. When you add these two, it is 70. So here we took a difference of 2 and here a difference of 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 70 minus 4 is 66. So without using pen and paper also, you can do such simple calculations. You can do such simple calculations with estimation. Next, hope you all are doing multiplications in your classes. Let me introduce a multiplication trick with 11. I want you all to do along with me multiplication with 11. Suppose there is a number 33 into 11. So multiplication by 11. Multiplication by 11. So everyone can do this. Actually, this is very easy trick. So this trick is talking about, see here, we need to take the ones digits and multiply. What is the value? What answer you are going to get? 1 3 is 3. We need to multiply the tens digits. What value did you get? 3. So we need to cross multiply the between number. 3 ones are 3 and this is again 3 ones are 3. Together it is 6. Your answer is 363. But in your normal method, what you try to do? 33 into 11. 33, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Close the ones place, 1 3 is 3 and 1 3 is 3. So 3, 6, 3. So when you are learning the trick, so use this trick. Now when any number is multiplied by 11, this is a trick for 11. So in your books or anywhere when you are getting the thing like multiplication by 11, so you need to add the ones digits. So when you are adding the ones digit, this is normal multiplication what you do. But when I am asking you to go with trick, these two ones digits should be multiplied. 1 3 is 3. Multiply the tens digits. 1 3 is 3. Now zigzag multiplication. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is a trick used with the multiplication by 11. Yes, you are done with 11 multiplication trick by 11. Now tell me the value of 43 into 11. 43 multiplied by 11.
473. 473, ma'am. 473.
Very good, very good.
473.
Superb. 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4. Cross multiply and add. 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Very good. Now go with one more number. 46 into 11. Let me see. 46 into 11. 46 into 11. Might be you are confused here little bit. 1 6 are 6. 1 4 are 4. When it is a zigzag multiplication and addition for the between number or the between place, 4 ones are 4 plus 1 6 are 6. That is, you will get 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. But take the 0 here, add 1 here. Your answer is 506. Your answer is 506.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Very good.
Yes.
So you understood how to do when the between number is a 2-digit number. When it is a single digit number, directly you can write it as it is. But when you are getting a double digit, when you are cross multiplying and adding, so take the ones digit here and take the tens digit and borrow, you are going to get 506. It is taking hardly seconds, only seconds. When you go with normal multiplication, 6 ones are 6, 4 ones are 4, 1 6 are 6, 4 ones are 4. 6, 4 plus 6, 10 and this is 506. Both the answers will be same, but the thing is you are going to use a shortcut. Is it clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you are seeing anything multiplied by 11, definitely you should use the trick. Will you use the trick from now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we'll move on to the next trick that is also on multiplication. But the thing is you need to observe the numbers. If it is 46 into 44, what is there in the tens place, my dear children? Both the numbers are having the tens place as 4. Tens place is 4. What about the ones place digit?
6 and 4.
So when you add this 6 and 4, how much will you be getting? 10. So whenever you are observing some numbers in this pattern, the pattern is the tens digit should be same, and when you are adding the ones digit, its result should be 10. So we have so many examples like that. 33 into 37. The tens digits are same? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
When you add the ones digit, are you getting 10?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And yes, one more number. 28 into 22. 8 plus 2 is?
10, ma'am.
And the tens digit is same. So whenever you are asked, or if you find in your book such numbers, the tens digit is same and the ones digit is a combination of like addition will result as 10. What we are going to do now? Yes, it's very simple technique. See here, multiply these two numbers. 2 8s are
16, ma'am.
16. What is the tens digit here?
2.
So what is the number? What is the number after 2? What is the number after 2? Which comes after 2?
3.
So multiply with that, it is 3 2s are 6. Yes, 3 2s are 6. This is the answer